Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you another high potential airdrop called Quranium. So what is Quranium? Quranium is a blockchain platform for secure, transparent and decentralized data management. If you visit their website, you will find more information about their project, so you can check it out. Right now, as you can see, they haven't publicly mentioned any details about it. Also, their status is potential. And if we talk about investors, we can see the name Animoca brands associated with this project. If you visit their X profile, as you can see, they currently have 39k followers. If you scroll down, you will find they are active here, which is another positive sign. Before joining the airdrop, if you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. To join this airdrop, you'll need to download their wallet. I'll provide a Telegram link in the video description where you can find the link. First, you need to download and install this extension. After completing the download, you need to create an account. Click on create a new wallet. Choose your password. Copy or screenshot these phrases in a safe place, then click next. Now verify these phrases correctly. Click next and then finish. So it's done. Now open the wallet and enter your password to unlock it. As you can see, it's unlocked. Next, you need to visit this page. You will also find this link in that Telegram post. Click on Connect Wallet. Then click on Connect and your wallet should be connected. As you can see, I've already received 5 points for the daily check-in, as you get 5k points for checking in daily. Next, click on your profile icon where you'll need to complete some verification. Here, you can add your profile picture. Click on this pencil icon to set your username. Enter your email and click verify. Now check your email and click on verify email to verify your email. Here you also need to connect your Discord and X account. First, I'll connect Discord. Scroll a bit, authorize it. And it's done. Discord is connected. Next, connect your X account. Authorize it. And that's done too. Both social media accounts are now connected. Now go to the home tab where you'll see a list of tasks. We'll complete these tasks one by one. First, you need to connect your Telegram account. My Telegram is connected now. There's another Telegram task as well, which I'll complete later. For now, let's move to the Discord task. Click on the visit link. Then accept invite. Click next. And then finish. Now click on verify. Then start verification. And solve the CAPTCHA. After verification is complete, go back and claim 10 points. Next, click on claim Faucet. Click on visit link. And you redirect to this page. Here, to claim the Faucet, open your QSafe wallet. Copy the address by clicking here. Paste the address here and solve the CAPTCHA. After that, click on claim. Now check your wallet, and as you can see, I've just got 20 Quranium tokens for the testnet. Go back and claim 5 points. Right now, it shows an error. I'll try later. Next, click here and visit link. You need to like and repost their post. After liking and reposting, go back and claim 10 points. Next, follow their X profile. Click on visit link. So follow. Go back and claim 10 points. Most of our tasks are complete here. Now check the refer and earn option on the left side. You can refer friends using the referral code provided on this page. Copy the code and share it with your friends. You'll also find a Gals link in that Telegram post. On this page, you'll see several tasks. Complete all the active tasks, as some may already be expired. These tasks are quite easy and can be completed without much effort. Going through each task individually would take a lot of time and make the video too long. Instead, I suggest you complete this task yourself. If you face any issues with any task, simply comment below this video. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.